Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. She's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. I know, 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 I know. Hey, I ought to leave the young thing alone, but ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. So you can look at my face now. I am not here. As I told you, I am actually in a district meeting, so I'm not in the building. But you can still let me know if there's any issues, and I'll try my best to answer them. So today, your expectation is you are going to be completing 3 stations. I told you a little bit about how long these stations were going to be, and you should have 0 problem doing them. I need everyone to take a moment and have someone read a goal from the board. Okay, now that the goal has been read, let's talk about some reminders. 510, get off my board. AJ, Anthony, Kinsey, like, you're on my board. Like, look. And you should have been defining the following in the past 2 minutes. If you haven't, you're in luck because you're going to watch a video about it today. So these are what the stations look like. They are on Schoology. Here's station 1. You are going to be watching a video, and it's one of the ones where I made it pause and stop for you to write things down. So you're welcome. So you're going to be defining these words based off of the video and then creating a graphical representation of actually there are 6 words here, JK. So doing something like a pyramid or a flowchart, there's actually one in the video, so make it happen, Captain. This is station 1. Station 2, you are looking at biotic versus abiotic factors. Your job is to make a T-chart in your notebook, watch this video, and then fill out your T-chart. You're going to then draw a picture of your favorite outdoor spot, including 3 biotic and abiotic factors. Make sure they are labeled. You don't need to label a tree. I know what a tree is, but label that tree as biotic or abiotic. Now that is what I'm looking for. And station 3, you're going to be watching this video, making this chart, and filling out the definition and an example of these 3 types of diversities that it was talked about in the video. If you get to station 4, this is where it is. I'm not really going to explain it right now because if you get there, you can read, you can figure it out. I just need you to text me as you choose your hotspot. And my next question will be, okay, show me your stations. So if you don't get here, no big deal. We'll catch you on Friday. If you are here, you just need to let me know, advocate for yourself, and we will make it happen. So your notebook has been updated. So 100 and 101, we are going to be going over this on Friday. So if you just want to leave it blank, I don't care. But you guys will be working on page 102 and 103 and 104. So you guys know where these are. There, it's in the QR code in the back of the room, also on Schoology. So I'm not going to take screenshots this time because you can figure it out. Set up your notebook. I want everyone to be working for 25 minutes. The sub is going to set a timer for 25 minutes as soon as I'm done here, and you're going to work. And I will make sure that there are headphones available, and you're just to plug in and get to work. After 25 minutes, you have a 5-minute break, and then it's back to work. Heaven help those that do not get 3 stations done, friends. I told you what happened in period 2 and 6 last time I was gone. Don't be like them, okay? You can do better. You know my expectations, and I love you guys. You guys are awesome. So make me proud. Let me know if there's any problems. The sub will definitely do so. And the people that I said I wrote down as leaders, your name is written down. The sub will be talking to you, making sure that you have leader-esque behavior and to ask questions. You know how this class is run as well as the next person. So I'll miss you all, and I will see you on Friday. Okay, bye.